We are pleased to show you the 2020 Escape Hybrid. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated seats, Bluetooth, remote start, heated front seats, push button start, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.